Good evening, this is Jan. I'm in my kitchen and I'm gonna cook asparagus. Now white asparagus, they have a season, so you can only eat them like 2 months a year. Green asparagus, on the other hand, they're grown all year round. So that's what I got here, green asparagus. These are from Peru, one of the leading export countries for asparagus. This is what they look like out of the package. Now asparagus have a stem which is very woody and not very edible, so what you do is you feel it, you snap it where it breaks off. Got 2 parts, this one you throw away, this you keep. I'm gonna combine the asparagus with mushrooms because I like mushrooms a lot. Plus, they are a good combination. I will slice them. Something like this. I will start with cooking the mushrooms, so I heat up the pan. Nice drizzle of olive oil, extra vierge, of course. Mushrooms go into the pan. One is coming out of the mushrooms already. Looks like the mushrooms are ready. So for the moment I will transfer them to a bowl and use them later in the cooking process. I'm using the same pan, again some olive oil. The olive oil is extremely hot. I put the heat down to medium-low kind of thing, and I'm putting in the asparagus. Like this. Like this. Black pepper. Quite a lot. How I like it. Oh yeah, the smell of the black pepper, smell of asparagus. And finally some additional very aromatic herbs like thyme. And basil. They're almost done, like 3-4 minutes is enough, so I'm adding back the mushrooms. Looks like they're done. Time to plate it up. It's time to eat. Oh yeah, they're good. They're crispy. I mean, I didn't overcook them, because if you overcook them, they're not so good. Green asparagus are very aromatic. They're more aromatic even than the white asparagus. So that's another reason to eat this type of asparagus instead of the white one. The mushrooms, they're tasty. As a side dish I'm having some rustic bread. What wine am I drinking with my asparagus? Well, of course, the first thing you think about with asparagus would be Pinot Blanc or Sauvignon Blanc. Now, I didn't have Pinot Blanc or Sauvignon Blanc in my wine rack. Then this is my choice. Marqués de Cáceres Verdejo from Rueda, Spain. Top region for the Verdejo grape. Verdejo is one of my favorite grapes, probably my favorite white grape. And this goes well with asparagus as well, so I'm very much okay with this combination. The wine is a little bit herbaceous, so you get the same taste of like the basil, the thyme, a little bit. Mushroom and asparagus. This is good. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.